He's in the Hall of Fame. That is Kevin Windham, probably one of the most well known from the last generation riders. Super, super cool guy. And I honestly miss these. If you didn't see Supercross when after he retired the last, or a few years after, he was doing these massive gap jumps. And it was just like a really cool thing to start off a Supercross night, with something hype, something like, hey, here's a 100-foot gap jump from, this jump to that jump that was never really designed. It wasn't, I mean, maybe he probably had some input to it, but not something that's like a normal thing. Like, hey, we're going to build it so this jump connects to that jump so this guy can do it before the race. And it's just kind of one of those cool things that I wish they still did, had something to do it. Like obviously they have um the Twitch and all those people do pre pre-race jumps and stuff, but it's not the same when it's, off of a ramp to an air pad instead of on the actual track. But it's cool to see. I mean, obviously he very much deserves it. I think it was a 19-year career, 47 AMA Pro wins. I mean, you gotta say that obviously earned him the I don't know how to say right, but earned him his spot. Well, this is where I ask you guys: do you miss those jumps? Were you around for his racing? This like I was pretty much at the end of it before I got into Supercross and everything. But I'm asking you: were you around for it? Did you ever see it? Did you ever see the jumps live? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.